Sure, here's a 700-word article you can use for your YouTube video description, voiceover, or narration. It's styled like an engaging script, perfect for automotive content creators. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there, a full feature on the 2025 Lexus TZ, but not just any TZ. This one is fully modified, and it's a beast on both the streets and the show floor. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this till the end. Now, Lexus has always been known for blending luxury, comfort, and performance, but the 2025 TZ takes that to a whole new level. Straight from the factory, it's already a masterpiece, futuristic design, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and unmatched comfort. But when you take that base and give it a full custom treatment, you're left with something truly jaw-dropping. Starting with the exterior, this modified TZ has undergone a full wide-body kit conversion. We're talking about aggressive front splitters, flared wheel arches, and a redesigned rear diffuser that gives the car a more planted and muscular stance. The body is wrapped in a matte stealth gray finish with carbon fiber accents throughout, from the mirror caps to the hood vents and even the rear wing. It's a head-turner, no matter where you go. The wheels. Fully forged 22-inch multi-spoke alloys, finished in a gloss black with red brake calipers peeking through, paired with low-profile performance tires that hug the road like a dream. It's got air suspension as well, so with the push of a button, the car can drop low for that aggressive stance or raise up for normal driving. This gives it a perfect mix of function and flex. Under the hood, we've got the upgraded version of Lexus hybrid powertrain. The original TZ comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with dual electric motors. But in this build, the ECU has been tuned, and the exhaust system replaced with a high-performance titanium setup that lets the engine breathe and roar like never before. The result? A smooth but powerful delivery with instant torque and a satisfying growl every time you hit the throttle. Step inside, and the luxury continues, but this time with a sporty twist. The seats have been reupholstered in Alcantara and leather with contrast red stitching and TZ logos embossed in the headrests. The dashboard has carbon fiber trims, and there's a custom ambient lighting system that lights up the cabin like a spaceship at night. The infotainment has been modified as well with a faster chip, custom interface, and full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. One of the coolest parts about this modified TZ is the tech integration. It's got remote start via smartphone, voice control for almost every function, and a 360-degree camera system with night vision. The heads-up display now features custom graphics, and even the rear entertainment screens have been upgraded with wireless gaming support. It's not just a car, it's a full-on tech hub on wheels. Driving it feels like a dream. With the modified suspension and tuned hybrid setup, the TZ handles corners like a performance car while still keeping that Lexus luxury smoothness. Whether you're cruising on the highway or showing off at a car meet, it feels at home in any environment. This build is a perfect example of what happens when premium meets performance and style. It's for those who want to stand out, who appreciate the finer things but also live for speed and style. Every angle, every detail, every mod on this Lexus TZ has been carefully chosen and executed. So if you've enjoyed this video and love seeing premium cars pushed to their limits with creative modifications, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below letting me know your favorite part of this build, and share it with your friends who love cars just as much as we do. We've got more insane builds, reviews, and behind the scenes coming your way soon, so stay tuned and hit that bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Want me to tweak this for a voiceover or add specific names brands used in the modification?